Before you say yes to the wedding, say no to lifelong compromises. Here's a checklist every Indian woman should tick off before tying the knot. 1. Know who he really is. Don't just see how he acts when things are good. Watch how he responds when he's challenged, outdone, or told no. His opinions about women, queer people, and domestic work will tell you more than his Instagram bio ever could. Is he truly supportive or just tolerant until it's inconvenient? 2. Talk money, always. Get clear on his income, debts, saving habits, and money mindset. You deserve to know whether he sees you as an equal partner or a financial backup. If he says, "Don't worry about it," that's your cue to worry. 3. His mom, your problem? Does he handle conflict like an adult or expect you to keep quiet because mom is just like that? If he can't set healthy boundaries now, be prepared for a lifetime of passive-aggressive tension. 4. The fake progressive trap. Letting you work but expecting you to do all the chores isn't equality, it's outsourcing. Ask him to split housework and cooking before marriage. Test his version of modern. 5. Kids aren't assumed. Have honest conversations about children. If, when, how many, and shared responsibilities. If he's not ready to parent equally, you're not obligated to play default caregiver. 6. No prenup. Write an MOU. Prenups aren't recognized in India, but you can draft a memorandum of understanding covering finances, property, duties, childcare, and separation terms. It might not be legally binding, but it's still powerful documentation. 7. Abuse isn't always visible. Emotional manipulation, financial control, gaslighting, and career sabotage count as abuse. Don't explain away toxic behavior as, "He's just moody." That mood can escalate. 8. Consent doesn't start after marriage. You can and should discuss sex before marriage. Talk boundaries, contraception, health, and comfort. Marital rape isn't criminalized in India, but your safety and agency matter regardless. 9. Watch his take on feminism. If he dismisses feminism or claims to support equality, not feminists, he's revealing more than he thinks. You don't need someone threatened by your independence. 10. Your work is real work. Your career is valid with or without a paycheck. If you take a break, ensure financial protection is in writing. It's about dignity and independence, not just income. Extra protection moves. Keep control of all your documents and bank access. Maintain a personal savings account no one else touches. Document your share when buying property. Seek legal help to draft MOUs, agreements, or clauses where needed. Bottom line, marriage isn't your reward, and compromise isn't your only role. If you're being told to constantly adjust or stay quiet, that's not peace. That's erasure. You have the right to walk away from anything that asks you to shrink yourself. Courage isn't just leaving a bad marriage. It's also refusing to enter one.